Today, let's see what's cooking at Mama's Balls.
Hi, I'm Mike Antonori from Mama's Meatballs. Come on in, you're gonna love our meatballs. We're gonna make our Godshall's Drunken Turkey Bacon Ball. We have ground turkey, which is mixed in with some of our breadcrumbs, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of onion, some other secret seasonings. It's all mixed together, just turkey meat, 100% turkey meat. We're gonna add some of the Godshall's bacon into it. We'll mix that up a little bit. Then we're going to add in some sauteed spinach. And we're going to add in some roasted red peppers. And a little more, why not? That looks good. Alright, then we're going to mix this all together. So here's our Godshall's Drunken Turkey Bacon Ball. They're ready to go into our pizza oven at 550 degrees for about 15 minutes. They'll get nice and brown, nice and crisp. Going into the oven. So here's our famous vodka sauce here at Mama's Meatballs. We're going to put this on top of our Godshall Drunken Turkey Bacon Balls, and it's going to be good. I like Godshall turkey bacon because it has 80% less fat than pork and is packed with wood smoke flavor. Ah, these look good. And a little bit more bacon on top. So we'll put some of our vodka on. Now we're going to add some more Godshall's CRUMBLZ because everything is better with bacon. And you can never have too much. A little bit of parm. And a little bit of fresh arugula. Just as a little garnish. And here you go. Here's our Godshall's Drunken Turkey Bacon Balls, topped with our famous vodka sauce.